Hi doctors, welcome to the tutorial of UzuHealth Doctor. I am Anuradha, CEO of UzuHealth. The Doctor Dashboard is designed to reduce admin, keep records structured and help you manage follow-ups without extra effort. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how a consult flows inside UzuHealth. From seeing your day's appointments, reviewing a pre-built patient summary, conducting the consult, generating a clean prescription and setting the next step so the patient stays on track. Now, we are in the UzuHealth website. To begin, a patient needs to create an account. I already have a patient account created and logged in. Let's assume Tanu is a patient who wants to consult a gastroenterologist on our platform. She clicks on the Consult a Doctor button. Since she is consulting for herself, she selects For Myself. Next, she selects the relevant department. Based on this selection, available doctors in that department are shown. She clicks Continue and confirms the booking. At this point, the booking request is created and a health counselor will contact the patient shortly. Now, let's move on to the health counselor dashboard. Here, the health counselor can see all patient details related to the booking. The counselor performs a pre-screening where they understand the patient's concerns and assigns the appropriate doctor at the most relevant slot when the doctor is available. This step ensures the doctor receives complete and relevant clinical context before the consultation begins. Now, let's return to the patient dashboard. Here, the patient completes the booking by paying the consultation fee online. Once the payment is successful, the consultation is confirmed at the allotted time slot. When it's time for the appointment, the patient can join the consultation by clicking the Join Video Call button. Now, let's move on to the doctor dashboard. After logging in, the doctor sees an overview of total cases, new cases, ongoing cases. The appointment calendar for the day is also visible. As we scroll down, we can see the booking made by Tanu. Clicking on View Details opens the complete patient profile. Here, the doctor can view patient information, health counselor's pre-screening notes, uploaded documents, medical history. All necessary details are available in one place. To begin the consultation, click on Start Video Consultation. The doctor joins the video call and waits for the patient to join. After the consultation, the doctor can click on Write Prescription. Here, the doctor fills in all required details and can also recommend lab tests by selecting them directly from the available list. Once completed, click Send to Patient.